working cooperatively to create a brighter and stronger future of every member that is more progressive with dynamic undertaking for ourselves. You know, we live in a world that is facing adversity, challenges from climate change to diversified beliefs, traits, characters, priorities in life. There are so many wants. There are so many wants versus the needs. Okay? But I'm very confident that we members of CIPSRCC will have a 360 degrees paradigm shift that is not resistant to change. Magbabago na tayo. Remember our tagline? Invest, grow together. Walang maiwan. Okay? So, not just for ourselves, but for the next generation to come. To all members of CIPSRCC, we must practice that habit of savings. Huwag niyong gastusin lahat ang pera niyo. Ilagay na lang ninyo dito sa CIPSRCC, okay? We must be prudent in our lifestyle. Hindi kayo yayaman kung lahat ng gusto bibilhin. Mag-save tayo, okay? And don't spend. Karamihan, siyempre, pag gusto, kailangan meron. Meron si kapitbahay, dapat meron din ako. Don't spend more than what you earn. You just live within the limits of your resources. Okay? So, saan na ba ako? So, you would be financially stable. Pag ganun ang maging habit niyo, magiging financially stable kayo. Wala kayong problema sa kaperahan. Okay? So, I can also relate to a song. Pag may gusto kayo, one day at a time. Hindi sabay-sabay. Yung mamaya, yung USB, USB, yung kotse malaki. Yung cars. Tapos, meron pang, Honda Civic. Gusto niyo sabay-sabay. Okay, one day at a time lang. This is a very nice and meaningful song. Hindi lahat nag-o-offer ng loan sa hospital. Ika-grab ninyo. Tapos i-left over ninyo ang CIPSRCC. Over the counter nangyayari sa iba. Hindi na kami papayag ngayon para sa kaunlad ng CIPSRCC. Okay? Kakaroon tayong mga problema, no? Sa mga ganon. So, sayang lang yung natutulog na pera natin sa ganon. Marami tayong pera natutulog na ganon. So, ayan. Yun na nga, kasi marami kayong wants. Kaya ganun ginagawa. May nag-offer, tara! Nag-offer ang video, tara, punta tayo, loan ulit. Sa mga HR, kung nandito naman, pag may loan, wag ninyo sila papayagan. I-refer sa CIPSRCC. Okay? Why? Eventually, you'll be lost. Excuse me. You will be lost financially. Okay? I encourage all the